Are you looking for the best gaming PCs under $1,000? In this video we will look at some of the best gaming PCs under $1,000 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop. While you may know HP for its office laptops and desktops, it also offers a few gaming PC options under its Pavilion lineup that is fairly affordable for many buyers. HP's Pavilion TG01 2020 gaming PC comes at the second position of this listicle, as this can be a great entry-level option for those who are on a budget. Even at its price, you get decent performance from its Intel Core i5 10th Gen 10400F CPU, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1654GB GPU, and 8GB DDR4 RAM. While its NVMe SSD offers excellent speeds, its capacity is quite limited at just 256GB, which can be limited if you wish to download and install multiple games at once. Similar to the previous iBUYPOWER option, this one also uses the Intel B365 motherboard. Moving over to the back of this gaming PC, you will find various ports like USB 2.0, USB 3.0, HDMI, DisplayPort, Ethernet, and others that are on par with others. This sleek, space-saving tower allows you to expand and upgrade with customizable LED lights and system optimization in the Omen Command Center. Offers 8GB DDR4 RAM. Comes with 256GB SSD storage. Powered by NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1654GB GPU. At number 2, Skytech Archangel Gaming Computer. Skytech is a comparatively small brand of gaming PCs and office computers that generally offers a great value for money with its PC models. This Skytech Archangel Gaming PC comes at the third position of this list article because it is a great all-rounder option. Since you get the AMD Ryzen 5 3600 CPU, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1666GB GPU, and 8GB DDR4 RAM, it can be used for all kinds of computing tasks other than just gaming. You also get a 500GB SSD with this gaming PC that can be used to install a lot of games along with other programs. Because this gaming PC uses the AMD B450 motherboard, you can even overclock its processor to get more performance out of it. Just like most other gaming PCs, you get various handy ports like USB 2.0, USB 3.0, HDMI, DisplayPort, Ethernet, audio ports, and various others on the back. At number 3, Skytech Shadow Gaming Computer PC Desktop. Skytech also offers gaming PCs under $1,000 that use Intel processors rather than AMD ones, which is also true with the one stated here. The Skytech Shadow Gaming PC can be ideal if you want fairly high gaming performance out of your computer. As for this one, it can offer that with its Intel Core i5 10th Gen 10400F CPU, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1666GB GPU, and 8GB of DDR4 RAM. Skytech has included a 500GB SSD that offers decent storage capacity along with high storage access speeds. Unfortunately, being an Intel B365 motherboard computer, you do not get any overclocking support. Fortunately, you do get all kinds of ports like USB 2.0, USB 3.0, USB 3.1, HDMI, DisplayPort, audio, and Ethernet ports. Uses the Intel Core i5 10th Gen 10400. Offers 8GB DDR4 RAM. Comes with 500GB SSD storage. Powered by NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1666GB GPU. At number 4, iBUYPOWER Gaming PC Computer. Those of you who are on a tight budget can go with the iBUYPOWER Element Mini since it is the cheapest option stated here in this listicle. iBUYPOWER's Element Mini 9300 Gaming PC is an entry-level option that is highly affordable. Even at its given price tag, you can expect a decent gaming experience thanks to its AMD Ryzen 3 3100 processor, AMD Radeon RX 552GB, and 8GB DDR4 RAM, which is perfect for most. To make sure that you do not run out of storage space while installing games, iBUYPOWER has offered a 2440GB SSD for ease of use. While it is an AMD motherboard, the AMD A320 does not support overclocking it. That being said, iBUYPOWER did not leave out on its connectivity options, as you get everything that you will need like USB, HDMI, DisplayPort, Ethernet, and audio ports. Highly affordable gaming PC, decent for everyday usage, multiple connectivity options. At number 5, Skytech Blaze 2 Gaming Computer PC. Skytech also makes other AMD-based systems that offer similar performance numbers as other expensive options. This Skytech Blaze 2 Gaming PC is another viable option for decent gaming performance without paying a premium for the same. Starting with its components, you will find the AMD Ryzen 5 2600, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1666GB, and 8GB DDR4 RAM. This gaming PC even includes a 500GB SSD for all your storage needs while offering high transfer speeds. Unfortunately, because this PC uses the AMD A320M, it does not support overclocking. Taking a look at the back, you will find similar options as most others with its USB 2.0, USB 3.0, HDMI, DisplayPort, and Ethernet connectors. Uses the AMD Ryzen 5 2600. Offers 8GB DDR4 RAM. Comes with 500GB SSD storage. High capacity SSD drive. Multiple connectivity options. So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.